Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Trust Stanley and this is a TS Tech Talks video. So guys, for some reason I want to show you guys how to add slow motion on your video with youcut. So you're making use of youcut and you want to add a slow motion to your playing video or a video you just recorded. This is just how to do just that. Now go ahead and open your youcut. I'm opening the youcut. Click on this plus icon, click on new project and click on any video existing on your device. I'm going to choose this particular video and I'm going to play the video to show you guys how it works. Now this is how this person is moving right now. For some reason, if I want it to be slow motion from this area, I can do that. I'm just going to pause the video right there, split it first and then click on speed, and now I'm going to reduce the speed to 0.2 and then confirm it. Now let me go ahead and play the video from the beginning so that you see that the slow motion is applied. You notice how fast it is, right? Now watch. So how do you like that? This is just how to do slow motion on your youcut video editor. And if this video is helpful enough, smash that like button and subscribe to this video. I'm going to see you on my next video. Please stay safe guys and peace.